Are your inspections slowing down production? Moving gears and shafts from station to station, measuring one parameter at a time, creates delays, errors, and unnecessary rejections. Isn't it time for a smarter, faster solution? Introducing GaugeMerge, the ultimate multi-station, multi-parameter measurement system. It merges the inspection process into one streamlined, efficient setup, giving you speed, accuracy, and control like never before. Streamline DOB, PCD runout, ODs, IDs, taper, and more into one station for unmatched precision and incredible manpower savings. Say goodbye to skipped inspections leading to final stage rejections, hassles of rework and re-inspection, bottlenecks at final inspection stations. GaugeMerge ensures 100% inspection accuracy, reduces manpower needs by up to 60%, and eliminates the risk of mixed rejections. And that's not all. With GaugeMerge, you reduce inspection costs by up to 80%, record every detail with real-time data logging, minimize handling, and save space with a compact setup. Add new parameters or components effortlessly. It's not just inspection, it's innovation. Use unskilled operators while preventing them from making mistakes or skipping parameters by making one person accountable for one component. With advanced features like customizable station switching, frequency settings for ball changes and mastering, real-time trend charts for proactive adjustments, merge and digitize all your existing gauges at one place. Step into the future of inspection with GaugeMerge. Simplify your process, eliminate rejections, and take control of your production like never before.